When the frost bites the snow and Christmas comes around.
Hello guys, welcome back to the Lego Advent Calendar, and today we are on day number 9, so let's get it. So there it is. It appears to be Luke Skywalker from Last Jedi with a fish and a sort of pole in his hand. It's not great lighting, it's a bit over here so you can see better. Oh, yep. And that is today's build, Luke Skywalker. It's pretty cool. I do like the minifigure builds we've had so far. We've had the first Order Stormtrooper over there. We've had Chewbacca and now Luke Skywalker. That's pretty cool. I can't get him stand up. There you go. But thank you guys so much for watching today's episode, and I will see you later. Goodbye.